Videoed? Okay, so the number one question that we get is,
how close to the beach
how close
are
to
you?
the beach are you? So we're gonna just take a walk down there. Oh, look at the groundhog. Did you get it on film?
I think so. Oh, watch your head here. It's been 1 minute and 27 seconds and we're halfway there.
This is one of my favorite houses. Show this is.
And it's a nice walk. It's not like you're walking across highways and stuff. Three minutes and 33 seconds in. Oh, not bad. Go to the park, and there's the lake and the beach.
This is to show the trail.
Well, there's a trail here.
And that way.
And there. Parking for those who don't want to walk down here. 4 minutes, 37 seconds, and you can see it right there.
Here is a little train that goes around the park. It's pretty cute.
Six minutes, 13 seconds.
I forgot to lock the door. Don't do like I did.